Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Alright, let me... I'm recording. I don't see your ACOG. Ew. We want to share this ACOG experience. I never truly got to I never really got to experience Bandit and Jaeger with ACOG, but now I can live it. I did, but like I never used ACOG back then for anybody. I think upstairs. Oh, okay, we'll give you time alone. Sorry to intrude. Bandit, it's okay, buddy. It's alright, buddy. Bandit, don't cry. You're good, you're good. ACOG mistreated you. Just think of it like that. Ubisoft mistreated you. It's okay. Whoa. He just disappeared. That guy has a really nice voice.